so that then we can come back later and watch it, and so others who may have missed out on our events today can come back and watch it. We're also going to be providing that link for the Tejano passport points in our chat box. So for those of you who would like to participate in that program, you'll be able to use that code. So I'll go ahead and put that in the box in just a short minute. And thank you. And just if you would please mute your mics so that we can listen now to Mr. Robert Pandy. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon. I'm a counselor at the Valle Verde campus, and today I'm going to be presenting to you the Advanced Technology Center Certificate of Completion. So if you follow along on the PowerPoint, the ATC offer continuing education courses in renewable energy and energy efficient programs, and will soon be offering a certificate credit degree. A partnership with the industries and the community leader has allowed us to focus on preparing students for jobs that fit the need of the El Paso area. The ATC offers a variety of courses in industry and career training, and we will assist you with job placement opportunity. The ATC provides the opportunity for employed workers to upgrade existing skills to comply with the different federal, state, and local regulations such as electrical code, electrical journeyman, master electrician, hazardous waste operation, and OSHA. The Advanced Technology Center, the ATC, provide programs in automotive technology, a 2-year certificate, advanced manufacturing, computer aid design, diesel mechanic assistant, electrical technology, HVAC, machining technology, renewable energy, and welding. We will go through each one individually. Automotive technology, 2-year. This is a certificate of completion, and it prepares students for entry-level work in the automotive repair profession. Students can learn the theories involved in automotive repair in addition to hands-on practical experiences. Students are encouraged to continue on to the Associate of Applied Science degree in automotive technology once they complete the 2-year certificate of completion to increase their knowledge and the earning potential. Things to know. Current automotive students are advised to continually meet with the program coordinator regarding fall, spring, and summer registration. Some courses in this degree plan may count towards the automotive technology or the AAS automotive technology degree. 1-year certificate and drivability technician certificate. Visit the above degree plan to see which course you will need to take, and the counselor could help you with that. Students are encouraged to continue their education onto the automotive technology AAS degree to broaden their career potential and technical knowledge. Students are also required to obtain a basic toolkit and OSHA approved safety glasses, The first-time student should meet with a counselor or advisor regarding the program requirement and scheduling before registration. Some potential careers are service technician, and those are the salary, the potential salary. The certification examination administered by the National Board of Surgical Technology and first to require for employment in Texas. For more information, you could visit with the counselor. The advanced manufacturing. The advanced manufacturing program prepares the student with the ability to understand the system that make up the component of the modern industrial machinery and equipment. Students will be trained in clean, modern facilities with high-tech devices such as robot, highly automated system, computer control machining system, and intricate assembly machinery. Your skills will be challenged as a manufacturing technician interacting with many other specialties inside and outside of the field. This program may focus on engineering, electrical and mechanical system, hydraulics, and other technologies. Advanced manufacturing. The topics include electrical, motor control, computer numerical control, CNC, blueprint interpretation, fluid power, electronics, programmable logic controllers, robotics, and programs. Another program is the computer aid design. Let me make this larger so I can. The computer aid design program prepares students as designers and drafters, where opportunities are available in over 125 computer aid design related fields, including manufacturing, engineering, construction, structural design, city planning and development, and architectural documentation, whereby graduates enter the workforce at an advanced level. And these are some of the topics included: building information mode, AUTOCAD, and you could find all of these in the college catalog under this program. Another program we have is the diesel mechanic assistant. And at EPCC, the diesel program is designed for diesel tech. This program was designed to meet the need of the working professional in the industry. This program focuses on preparing students to participate at different entry levels within the industry. The skills that are discussed in the classroom are designed to engage and inspire the diesel technician to produce high quality work and to contribute to the community. Here are the career opportunities: road service technician, diesel mechanic assistant, and the salary range $11 to $25 per hour. And again, this information you could receive from the counselor or the advisor of the program. Some of the topics: the steering and suspension, HVAC, fuel system, preventative maintenance, basic electrical, diesel engineer 1 and 2, basic hydraulic, powertrain, advanced tune-up, electronic control, tractor and trailer repairs. The Level 1 Certificate of Completion in Diesel Mechanic Assistant provides students with a foundation of the latest techniques in diesel technology. Students learn how to perform proper service and entry-level repair on light and heavy-duty vehicles and related equipment. The career opportunity or the potential careers of road service technician, diesel mechanic assistant, potential salary, and this is pretty much about the same. And again, the counselor, the advisor will be able to go over this with you. On the diesel mechanic, Certificate of Completion in Diesel Mechanic provides the student with a foundation in the latest diesel technology and instruction in the diagnosis, service, and repair of light and heavy-duty vehicle and equipment. Students will learn skills such as how to diagnose and make necessary repair on motor diesel engine and fuel management system, understand and repair electrical and electronic control system, understand and diagnose and repair steering, suspension, clutches, and standard transmission. Students are required to have safety glasses, steering toe shoes, proper shop attire, books, and tools. A tool list will be given at the first day of class. To succeed in the diesel technology program, students will have a reliable computer or laptop, please visit with your counselor or the advisor at the end of each semester to discuss your next semester courses and the tools that you will need for those courses. Some courses in this degree plan may count towards the Diesel Technology AAS Associate of Applied Science degree and the Diesel Mechanic Certificate. Visit again with the counselor so you know about the degree plan and which courses will go towards the AAS degree. It is highly recommended that graduates continue on to the Level 2 certificate, which provides a more complete and understanding of all systems used in the heavy-duty truck system. The electrical technology. The Electrical Technology Program is a short one-year course designed to educate a student to enable them to gain meaningful employment as an electrical apprentice. The student will be well trained, ready to size, install, and maintain all electrical wiring in residential, commercial, and industrial fields. The electrical licensing is good throughout the state of Texas, which is regulated by the Texas Department of Licensing and Regulation. An OSHA 30 certification is also included. The topics include National Electrical Codes, Blueprint Reading, Motors and Control, Troubleshooting, Programmable Logic Control, Electrical Safety, and again, we come back to OSHA 30 standards. The Certificate of Completion in Electrical Technology prepares students for employment as apprentice, electrician in residential, commercial, and industrial field. Students will learn and follow the National Electrical Code, acquired pipe bending skills, troubleshoot complex electrical system, read and design and install motor control systems. This program covers subjects such as grounding and bounding, box fill, conduct fill, sizing transformers, transformation. Upon successful completion of the OSHA training, student may receive the OSHA 30 construction certification. And again, when you visit with the counselor or the advisor, they will be able to go over these with you. Some of the career opportunities are electrical technician, school district, utility companies, housing authority. And again, the salary range is between $9 to $26 per hour. And again, when you visit with the counselor, he or she will be able to go over this with you in that. HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. This program prepared the student for employment in the heat transfer industry. Course content provide theory and practical experience in this field. This program also offers certificate option. And again, when you visit with your counselor, he or she will go over the different certificate under the HVAC. Some of the topics include commercial air conditioning, commercial refrigeration, blueprint reading, furnace, AC split system, AC rooftop unit, domestic refrigerators, window units, walk-in freezers, commercial ice machine, EPA, and the 410A certification. Again, when you visit with your counselor, he will be able to explain some of these with you. The Machining Technology Program. In the machining program, students would actually learn and use precision techniques to make parts from various types of metal using mining machines, grinders, and then assemble projects from these parts. The computers, numerical control, CNC, operation and programming are the advanced course in this sophisticated curriculum that prepares students for the high-paying job availability in today's global economy. Again, when you visit with the counselor will be able to go over some of these. The machine technology program introduces students to various machining operations and prepare the student to enter the metal trade industry. Some of the topics under this program include engineering, drawings, 3D printing, basic electrics, miles, surface grinding, computer numerical control, CNC, electrical discharge machine, EDM, and programming with the introduction to the CAD and the CAM. Certificate of Completion in Machining Technology, CNC, at the numerical control, computer-assisted manufacturing, and computer-integrated manufacturing to the conventional skill development in the program. Certificate prepare individual for employment as entry-level machinists.
Mr. Penny, you have a question.
Okay, how do I get to that?
Let me ask it for you. It says, what is the percentage of students enrolling in these classes? Do they get help finding a job, and is it only for the state of Texas?
Yes, it's only for the state of Texas. I am not sure of those answers right now, but I could get back to you with them.
Okay, thank you.
Because I'm not. Could you run your question by me one more time?
It's saying what percentage of students register in these classes? Is there a lot of people registering in the certificate programs and the ATC?
Okay, we usually start with the certificate program, and we do have a cutoff on the number of students that get selected in each program. In the regular semester, we have 2 classes running. We have one in the day and one in the evening. And we usually run those classes to its max.
And does it, well, there's another question now, and it's asking, are they required to have a diploma or GED in order to apply for these programs?
They're required to have a GED.
Okay. And then afterwards, do they get assistance in locating a job? That's the last question.
Yes, they do. The professors or the teachers for these programs usually assist the students in finding employment.
Okay, great. Thank you so much.
There was another part of your question that I didn't get.
Oh, it was about if it was applicable in Texas only.
Okay, I will have to look into that. I'm not sure about that part, but I will look into that and I will be glad to get back to you with that.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Do we have any other questions?
Seems like that's it for now.
Okay, I'm new at this, so I'm a little lost. So stop me.
Okay, one of the participants states that HVAC and electrical technicians require state certification, and each state has separate requirements.
Oh, okay, so there's your answer. But
Thank you.
I am just
There's so many programs. Yes, thank you.
right. Okay. So do we move on?
Yes, please, thank you.
All right. Thank you. The renewable energy. This is a new program. The certificate of completion prepares students to enter the alternative energy focused workforce through solar photovoltaic system installation. All of this is brand new to me. The program trains students to install, operate, and repair solar PV system. And graduate of this level 1 certificate may receive an OSHA certified certificate upon completion also. And again, this is a brand new program. We just start working with this. So the student that is interested in this program need to visit with the counselors and ask a lot of questions. Graduate of this certificate will learn to perform diagnostic analysis, demonstrate an understanding of solar energy industrial standards, apply safety principles. Students in the program are responsible for purchasing their own supplies and tools. And again, students interested in this program must visit with the counselor or the instructors to get more information. Again, it's a brand new program, so we need to ask a lot of questions. And then we come to the welding program. In the welding technology program, students will learn and use welding techniques used in the industry and various types of metal using industrial standard equipment. And this program introduced students to various welding techniques to prepare the student to enter the welding industry, trade industry. Certificate of completion in welding prepare individual for careers as commercial and industrial AWS certified welders. This program provides a solid foundation in the basics. And this SMAW, shield metal arch welding, and the gas metal arch welding. And these are acronyms that students usually bring in and want to know if upon completion of this program, if they will be able to do this. Do we have any other questions? Ms. Sanchez, are you there?
Yes, so far I haven't seen any other ones come up yet.
Okay, it was.
Thank
I
you.
had a hard time making it enlarge.
Oh, yeah, everyone can use that little magnifying glass. If it's a little too small, maybe they'd be able to use that to see it. Does anyone have any questions? So if someone's interested in these programs, what is their first step?
The first step would be to go to the ATC building and speak to Grace Irives. And or they could come to the counseling department and we could get them going on what they need to do.
And so right now they can just go to the counseling webpage and make an appointment through there to talk virtually to someone, or?
Right. And also students that are interested in the ATC certificate, they do not need to have taken and passed the TSI. They're exempt from the TSI if they're in the certificate programs.
Okay. And
However,
so, go ahead.
if they plan to then advance to the Associates of Applied Science degree, then they would need the exam, the TSI examination.
And how long does the certificate program take generally?
They're usually 1-year programs.
Okay.
The difference would be in the automotive, they have also 2-year certificate program, but they're usually 1-year programs.
Okay. So then does the certificate courses lead to the associates as well, typically?
In some programs, not in all.
And they're asking if right now, are the students, are they on campus? Are they part of the hybrid or the ones that are currently taking courses on campus?
I am not sure.
Okay. So is it, they're wondering if it would take longer right now because it seems like there'd be a lot of hands-on components and things.
Yeah, for that reason, I cannot answer that because I'm not sure.
Okay. Okay, perfect. Is there anybody else? Anybody else have questions? Okay, so one of the students who's in these programs says they have classes on Blackboard and go to campus once a week for lab and hands-on. So they do a hybrid already.
Right. I am not I'm not sure which program is doing the hybrid and which ones are not.
Okay. So which program are you currently in that you're doing this where you go in to the student who posted this? Are you in the HVAC or electrical or? Oh, Aldo welding and HVAC. Oh, that's awesome. Okay,
Well,
so yeah,
so he's in 3 of them.
yeah. So they are, I imagine you have to get some kind of hands-on with these in order to learn.
Right, your skills.
Yeah. Okay. And so if anyone has any questions, you can get in touch with Mr. Pandy. Can I get your email, Mr. Pandy? And I'm going to go ahead and put it in the chat box so that they can have your email.
It's rpandy at epcc.edu.
Okay, so that way, if anybody is interested in more information, you can get in touch with Mr. Pandy. He is there at the Valle Verde campus. And I'm also going to be posting some links again for the Tejano passport points, as well as for the survey. And does anybody else have anything else to add? Any questions about certificates in general or counseling? Okay, well, thank you all for coming. Thank you, Mr. Pandy, for your presentation. Oh, wait, one more. What's the difference between what EPCC offers and then some of these other schools that are offering other programs? Is there any kind of feedback on that?
I am not sure.
Okay.
Because it varies from program to program.
Okay. So it's also something to look at cost and things like that as well. EPCC's costs are very, very reasonable. So that's something to look into.
We usually want the student at first to get in touch with the counselor or the advisor so we can give them the information on these.
Okay, great. Okay, so you all have Mr. Pandy's information. So if you're interested in finding out more information about the programs that are available to you, all these sound like great programs. They all have great potential for earning a great living. So get in touch with Mr. Pandy if you're interested. And you said the other person's name is Miss Uribe?
Yes.
At the ATC?
And she's
okay, that ATC. So if you're interested. So thank you so much, Mr. Pandy, for sharing with us today. We appreciate you giving us your time.
Thank you.
Thank you. And then I'm also going to share with everyone the Tejano passport information. If you're interested in having some Tejano passport points, you can go ahead and go to this page that I'll be sharing with you. Just one moment. That's where you'll go to sign up, and then you can use the links that I put into the chat box in order to do that. I've also put a survey. If you would please give us some feedback on our sessions that we're providing through the Tejano virtual events, would appreciate it. And again, we did record these, so they're going to be available on the Blackboard page under Assist. You'll be able to go back and view the videos there as well. And then next week on Wednesday at 1 o'clock, we'll be having tips for parents and how student support services programs can help them. And next Friday, we'll have a presentation all about transferring. So when you're ready, after you get your associates and you're ready to transfer to another program at a four-year university, how you can do that. So thank you guys for coming. Appreciate your time, and you have a great weekend. Thank you.
Thank you.